Alright, what's up guys? So I know it's in a very different, we're in a tent. It was a last minute idea, but I'll see you guys in the morning whenever we're doing the farm tour. And yeah, let's see what time it is. Second. Alright, so it is 10:36. And yeah, so we're gonna see you guys in the morning in 1, 2, 3. Alright, what's up guys? I'm sorry it's noisy, but we made it. Oh, my hair is messed up, but I was gonna do like a farm tour, like the complete farm tour, but I'm just gonna do the horses today because we were gonna get some feed for them, but we have to go drop it off at the feed place. So yeah, we're gonna feed them the apples, not right. And I mean, I can show. Yeah, sorry it's noisy. We're in the Kubota, but yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get there, but I'm going to show you the cows really quickly. See, there's the cows. We have a lot more, but those are just the ones that we put in there because they're steers and we're trying to fatten them up. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get to the horses. Bye. Well, this is one of our donkeys following us. We have 4 donkeys and a llama. I'll show you guys when we get back. Ow! But there's one of our, see, we got a tiny horse back in the back. He's coming. He's very old, but there's one horse in between there. But yeah, this is the donkey. His name's Lucky because when he was born too early. Hey, Lucky. And he fell into a pond, and he fell in there you go, bud. To 2 ponds, and yeah, he's eating an apple right now. Come here, buddy. Hey, look. He likes the camera. He's a camera hog. Come here, buddy. Look at the camera. You like camera? Oh, come here. You like that? Just be careful. I want the miniature horse. I want Pee-wee to come here. That's Red Man, that's a Bug, and that's Apache, and right here under here, that's Pee-wee. His name was Butterball, but yeah, this is Sadie. I meant Lucky, I already showed you that. Wait, Cody, can I have an apple? I'm trying to watch out for Lucky, man. I just fed him like 10 apples. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here, hey.
Hey, boy.
Stop eating that. Come here. Here you go. No, I'm too scared. Here, can you film me feeding them? What? Cody, can you film me feeding them an apple? Here, come here. Hey, Bubba. Ah! Oh, he caught it. He's a trick shot. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm not ending it here, but still. Hey, Bubba. Pee-wee. See, this is Pee-wee Herman. My homie, bro. He got rained on last night. Oh, hey. He's a straight up savage. Hey, man, stop pushing me in. Hey, this is Pee-wee Herman. He's the first horse that we learned to ride on. And a fun story, when we were little, we would jump on him. And, here, give me an apple. And, I was riding him, and he ran me into a tree. Same happened to me. Yeah. For some reason, Pee-wee Herman had it out for us. Yeah, he likes us now. Hey, come here, Pee-wee Herman. Hey, can you just look at your apple? There we go. He likes to eat. Oh, that's so cringy. Listen to it. What's up, bro? How you doing? Ah! He coughed. Maybe we shouldn't have fed him. Cody, don't run. I got bit by an ant. It doesn't feel good. No, Lucky, stop that. Stop that, Herman. Herman, do you want me to beat you up? Hey. Then why does he have it out for me? Hey, Cody, can you film me? We might ride the donkey, guys. You can. Have fun. I might ride the donkey. See, that's our homie. His name is Lucky. Here, that's Pee-wee Herman. We've had him for quite a while now. That's our second oldest horse. His name is Bugs. Oh, did we get Pee-wee, Lucky.
Who? Yeah, I gave him some. How many?
And this is Red Man. Connor grew.
Did you get any? Yeah,
Connor,
I gave him 2.
Connor grew up riding on this horse, and I grew up riding on that horse. Yeah, him. I grew up on the red one. What, like the first horse we started off with on Pee-wee. He likes, when he was little, we fed him a rope, and he bites. Yeah, he likes to nibble at stuff. Wait, open your mouth. He's gonna eat the camera. That's how we should finish off the vlog. Ah! Look at him trying to eat the camera. Wait, stop. I want to give the red horse a apple. He got like 4 apples.
Hey,
Cause you fat.
stop being a douchebag, right?
What? Oh well, that's going in the video. Here, give me an apple. Let me give him one. Hey, dog.
Here you go.
Hey.
You like those apples?
He dropped my apple.
You gotta feed them to him fast, Connor.
Oh no, well he dropped it. There you go.
Oh,
He's getting older, but yeah. This is the one I grew up riding. Very pretty.
I grew up riding that one. Show him the one I grew up riding, Connor.
Where's he at? Oh. This is the one Cody grew up riding.
He's
But the
like-
one that we mainly grew up riding was Mr. Pee Wee Herman.
This one is pretty much our smoothest rider.
Yeah. Come here, Pee Wee. Pee Wee, let's get a dope edit. Come here. So cute. Yeah, I love you, buddy. There's all the horses. Wait, I'm trying to get it back. See, there goes a... That's all the horses. Yeah, there he is. And there's Mr. Pee Wee Herman. There's Apache. And there's Colors. That's Red Man. But yeah, that's Lucky. I was gonna show y'all all the cows, but yeah, there's too many.
But like pretty much right now.
Cody, I didn't shut the gate. Hold on, I'll see you guys in just a second. Cody, get the Kubota.
Cody, come on.
Alright, but yeah, that's a quick edit of all the horses.
And we'll see y'all guys later because we're about
Yeah.
to play with the horses ourselves.
Yeah, and then we're gonna show y'all the llama. Her name's
Mickey.
yeah, Mickey. No, it's Geronimo. No, that was the bull llama. I meant the
It's
male llama.
Mickey.
Yeah, it's Mickey. We
Our
named him Mickey.
cousin named it Mickey.
Yeah, I have one named Spike, and Cody had one named
Red.
Yeah, Red.
But me and Connor's died.
And so
Geronimo
did,
was sold.
yeah. Wait, I want to get him the last one that way they see. Come here, look, hey, buddy.
No, get Lucky button down.
Lucky. Come here. I get this on film. I'm not deleting the video because. Hey, buddy. All right, I love you. All right, y'all. See you guys when we see the llama. And 1, 2, 3. See, there's the other donkey, but yeah, there's the llama. Come here. Come here. Okay, well, it left. There's all the other cows, but yeah. Well, that's not all of them, but yeah. Here, I'll show. That's the other 2 donkeys.
Gonna do the double A thing.
And there's the double A tranche. But yeah, see, here's the there's the donkeys. All 3 of them, and the llama and the donkeys always stay together. But yeah, see, come here. See, come here, buddy. No, let me pet you. If you've got food, it'll let you pet them. But yeah. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're new, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.